Samahan niyo ako sa Dinio's Unlimited. Ito yung resto na wala nang kailangan patunayan dahil subok na ng nakakarami. And very affordable because for only $3.30 you get unli samji, appetizer, dessert, drinks, and buffet with about 6 dishes. I started with their bird's nest soup. It was a little too thick for me pero masarap. At yung marbled potato nila very unique kasi it's pesto. Ito naman yung shawarma style salad with chips on the side. Panalo to, sobrang sarap niyan kaya ayun humingi ako agad ng second serving. Next naman, perfecto kung may kasama kayong kids, yung spaghetti and chicken. Nakakatuwa yung spaghetti kasi lasang lutong bahay talaga. At itong chicken naman nila ay roasted. Ito naman yung crispy sisig. O diba may sibuyas kahit mahal ngayon? Ang sarap din ng timpla nito, siguradong favorite ng mga titos dyan. At sa mga mahilig naman sa may touch of sweetness, ito yung parang pork barbecue. Etong breaded squid naman nila ang pinaka na-enjoy ko that night, lalo na ang sarap isawsaw sa suka. Siguro 3 beses kong binalikan yan sa buffet. At eto naman yung crowd favorite nila, yung crispy kare-kare. Very mild and creamy at sakto yung timpla niya at ang sarap ng crispy na pork. At kung hindi ka pa ba naman nabusog sa lahat ng yon, meron ding included na unlimited Sampyupsal and side dishes. For dessert naman, I was pleasantly surprised with their leche flan. Although it's a little bit on the sweeter side, napaka-creamy and smooth ng texture niya. Unlike other places na rough and may bubbles in leche flan kasi alam mong nilagyan ng egg whites para tipid sa ingredients. Their buko pandan is also good and it's not too sweet. Sobrang sulit na unli samgyup and buffet dito sa Dinio's Unlimited. Perfect for family and group gatherings, kaya try nyo na rin. Like and follow for more.